The Pentagon says it hasn't found any evidence of aliens among all the reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, what we used to call UFOs. That's the technical term. But the Pentagon is developing a UFO detection kit just in case. Kristen Fisher has our story from Washington.
Well, this portable UFO or UAP detection kit is called Gremlin. It's being developed by the U.S. military in an effort to respond faster to reported UFO sightings and to collect better data once they get there. Timothy Phillips, who is the acting director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Office, the Pentagon's office that investigates UAP sightings, explained these Gremlin sensor kits like this, quote, "What we're doing is developing a deployable, configurable sensor suite that we can put in Pelican cases. Since the UAP target, the signature is not clearly defined, we really have to do hyperspectral surveillance to really try to capture these incidents." Now, hyperspectral means across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. So they're trying to collect everything from X-rays and ultraviolet rays to microwave and radio waves, things really outside the normal signatures of flying objects. Most flying objects, things like jets, produce a big heat signature from their hot engines. Some of these UAPs do not. So that's one thing that these Gremlin sensors are going to help try to do, collect better data. And they're currently being tested at a big range out in Texas. And the Pentagon is especially interested in deploying them at sensitive national security sites, places like U.S. military bases, Navy ships, places where a lot of these UAP sightings have been concentrated. Now, the Pentagon initially shared this news about the Gremlin sensor kits at a briefing with a select group of reporters. CNN's Oren Lieberman was one of them. And at this briefing, the whole point of it was to kind of preview a report that dropped on Friday. And this was a report that the Pentagon put together. And it was mandated by Congress, and what this report concluded is that, quote, "The AARO found no evidence that any U.S. government investigation, academic-sponsored research, or official review panel has confirmed that any sighting of a UAP represented extraterrestrial technology." So the report concluded that most sightings were ordinary objects and phenomena and the result of misidentification. But the report still does not explain the UAPs that were caught on camera by U.S. military pilots who testified under oath on Capitol Hill that the UAPs that they saw were behaving in ways that defied the laws of physics. So still a lot of questions here, but the Pentagon is hoping that these Gremlin kits, these portable UFO UAP detection kits, will help them collect better data, which can then help them get some better answers. Kristen Fisher, CNN, Washington.